Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. On this opportunity, we from Group 11 would like to present about revisional physics and general relativity. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Eva Ramadan Hasanah with NPM 46 and my friend.
My name is Lily Blancoka with NPM 44.
Okay, for the first material will be presented by Lely. Okay, Lely, take your time.
Introduction. Gravity is one of the most fundamental natural phenomena and attracts the attention of scientists against them. Instead, idea understanding gravity is not important to explain the motion of celestial body, but also the key to uncovering the structure and evolution of the universe. Isaac Newton formulated the universal law of gravity that became the basis of classical mechanics. Newton's theory has success in explaining the motion of the planet in early 20th century.
Okay, next. First, the development of the theory of gravity from Newton to Einstein. The development of the theory of gravity from Isaac Newton to Albert Einstein was one of the greatest leaps in the history of science. Fundamentally changed the way humans understanding the universe and its stories on Earth. Newton's concept of gravity as action from distance became the cornerstone of classical mechanics for more than 2 centuries. He formed the basis of theoretical physics until the late 19th century. However, Newton's theory began to slowly miss when applied to extreme cases. One of its main problems is its inability to explain anomalies in the orbit of the planet Mercury. Astronomical observations suggest Mercury perihelion. Albert Einstein proposed a revolution solution in the theory of general relativity, which completely changed the paradigm of gravity from the concept of the geometry of space-time. Einstein developed from the principle of equality, which states that the effect of gravity is equivalent to the effect of acceleration. Number 2, disadvantages of Newton's theory of gravity. Here are the main drawbacks of Newton's theory of gravity. First, inability to explain Mercury's orbital anomalies. One of the most well-known weakness is the problem of Newton's theory to explain the shape of perihelion of the orbit of the planet Mercury. One of the most well-known weaknesses is the failure of Newton's theory to explain the shape of perihelion of the orbit of the planet Mercury. This anomaly cannot be explained by classical mechanics and online find its solution through Einstein's theory of general relativity. Number 2, remote action assumption. Newton's theory assumes that gravity acts instability, which means that objects in the position of mass will immediately affect other mass in the universe without attempting. This concept confronts Maxwell's electromagnetic theory. Einstein's relativity later tried the problem by introducing the concept of gravitation. Okay, thank you. Next material will be explained for me. Continue the material. Number 10, people with special gravity. Newton's theory is inconsistent of the special particles of relativity of Einstein. More stated, the laws of physics should be the same in all fronts Number 4, being able to explain the bending of light by gravity. Newton's theory did not predict that light could be decided by the gravitational field. However, in Newton's formula, light with a partial not being affected by gravity. Okay, next slide. Considering the curva of space-time. Newton's theory considers space and time to be absolute and sparse entities, unaffected by the axis of mass. Dilation slower travel time near strong gravitational field or gravitational transits. This event can only be explained by general relativity. Number 6, failure in a very strong gravitational field. Near massive objects such as black holes or neutron stars, where the gravitational field is very immense. Okay, next slide. Einstein's general relativity described gravity as the curva of space-time. Einstein's theory of general relativity revolutionized the understanding of gravity by replacing Newton's concept of gravitational force with the manifestation of the curva of space-time. Einstein tensor described the curva of space-time, while the impulse energy tensor represents the distribution of matter and energy. The greater the mass of an object, the deeper the curva of space-time it progress is also prediction phenomena that Newton design cannot explain, such as number 1, the dance of light with match. Number 2, gravitational resistance. Number 3, gravitational time dilation. And number 4, gravitational waves. Okay, next slide. Empirical evidence supporting Einstein's theory of general relativity and Newton gravity. Empirical evidence of Newton gravity. Number 1, planet, nation, and Kepler law. Newton theory of gravity gains strong foundation from its ability to quantitatively explain Kepler's law of planet motion. Newton saw that his universe-square law naturally result in elliptical orbit of planet around the sun, as observed by Kepler. Number 2, discovery of the planet Neptune.